Hey everyone, it's Delaney, Inbound Marketing Specialist at Hivehouse Digital. Today, we're talking about 5 beginner tips for HubSpot success. HubSpot is a powerful tool for your sales and marketing team. However, it's important to implement best practices to make sure you get the most out of it. Tip number 1, connect your inbox to HubSpot. Connecting your inbox is one of the best tips I can give you for HubSpot success. When you connect your inbox, you can send one-to-one emails from HubSpot, log email replies, track opens, and install the HubSpot sales extension to access sales tools like documents, templates, and snippets in your personal email. Here's how to do it. Click the gear icon in the top menu. In the left sidebar menu, make sure that you are under General, then click Email. Click the orange Connect Personal Email button. Then click Connect Your Inbox and enter in your email address. Click Next. And in this scenario, we're going to be connecting to Gmail. So I'm just going to follow along with what it tells me to do. Choose my account. Click Allow. And HubSpot will make sure that the connection is correct. And just like that, you've connected your inbox. From here, you can go ahead and download the extension. And all you have to do is pick the right one for your browser. So you can either choose Chrome or the Outlook and Office 365 extensions. Tip number 2, enable sales with snippets, templates, and documents. These are all helpful sales tools that provide shortcuts for your team. In this example, we've already created them, and we're going to show you how you can use them in HubSpot. Once you're on your contact record, click the Create an Email button under their name over in the left sidebar. The email editor will pop up, and we can use all 3 of these tools in the email editor. To use a snippet, enter in the shortcut that you created. So in this example, I wrote meeting thank you, so it's going to pop right up and you can just click from the drop down and it will populate the text in your email. This is great for commonly used phrases that you use in your emails that you find yourself typing frequently. This is just one shortcut to save you a little bit of time. Now let's say you want to save even more time. That's where sales templates come in. Let's clear out the text of this email, and then all you have to do is click templates from the email editor. Find your template and select the name, and it will automatically populate in the document. A lot of times with your templates, you're going to have areas where you want to personalize. So in this scenario, I bolded where I need to update. So all you have to do is go in and enter in what you want to personalize. So I'm going to update that to SEO, and then I will say by Friday and enter in my name. And of course, you can personalize this even further, and let's say you want to add a document that you talked about during your meeting. So all you have to do is go up to the Documents link at the top of the email editor and find the collateral you want to attach to the email. So I'm going to go to the sales email collateral we have and link the manufacturing website best practices PDF. So that will automatically link to your email. So all you have to do is maybe add some context around it to make it make sense for the email. So I'm going to write, here is the manufacturing website best practices PDF we talked about. I hope it is helpful. And from there, all you have to do is review your email and hit send. Tip number 3, set up lead scoring. This helps you qualify contacts so your sales team can focus on the leads that are ready for sales. HubSpot lets you set up positive and negative criteria that will help determine their score. Positive criteria you may want to set include form fills, email engagement, high-value web page visits, number of website visits, industry, personas, and answers to important questions on your form. For example, specific industries or services needed. Negative criteria you may want to set include using a non-company email like a Gmail or a Yahoo. This won't apply to every business, but it can apply to specific clients and what they use. visits to your career page, contacts that have opted out of email, and lack of engagement over the last year. Your lead score criteria can be updated at any time, and as you see the scores your leads get, you can adjust the criteria to what makes sense for your business. As you update criteria, lead scores for your contacts will dynamically update. In this example, we just set up a few positive and negative criteria. So we set up last email marketing click date is less than 7 days ago, and persona is any of the construction, automotive, and manufacturing personas. We also added in negative criteria for emails containing Gmail or Yahoo, and anyone who opted out of email marketing communication. Once you set up your criteria, all you have to do is hit save, and HubSpot will automatically start assigning scores to your contacts. Tip number 4, set up automation for lifecycle stages. Lifecycle stages are an important contact record to maintain because it helps you segment your audience. For example, if you want to send an email exclusively for customers, you can use contacts with just the customer lifecycle stage. There are a few ways you can set up automation. In the settings, find Objects under Data Management and select Contacts. Then go to Lifecycle Stage at the upper menu. Under automation, there's a few different lifecycle stages you can have automatically apply to different scenarios. So you can set the lifecycle stage when a contact or company is created to lead, set lifecycle stage when a deal is created to opportunity, and set lifecycle stage when a deal is won to customer. You can change any of these lifecycle stages as you want. This is just what HubSpot recommends. Another way you can set up automation is with workflows. In this example, we have the contact enrollment trigger to be when the HubSpot score or lead score is greater than or equal to 60. Once their score is 60 or above, they will get enrolled in this workflow and their lifecycle stage will automatically update to marketing qualified lead. The options are limitless with workflows and setting lifecycle stages, so really think about your different lifecycle stages and how contacts qualify for each. Tip number 5, use personas. Finally, our last tip is to use the personas tool in HubSpot. Now, a lot of this work will happen outside of HubSpot as you create different personas your business targets. Once you have that information, you can add them to HubSpot so you can segment your audience appropriately. First, find the persona contact property, and then click on it to open the editor. Now, we have several different personas already loaded into our HubSpot. If you don't have any personas loaded in yet, all you have to do is click Add Another Persona. You can add in a photo of your persona, this could be a stock image, and then you have to enter in the name and the description of your persona. Those are required. After that, all you have to do is add in internal notes so you can reference later, such as roles, goals, challenges, and demographic information. Once you have the information input into HubSpot, all you have to do is click Save. I'll show you an example of one of our personas. This is Marketing Director Kelly. We have a stock image, and then we have the name and description that she is a marketing professional at a growing company. Then we added in our internal notes, like she's a director of marketing for a B2B business. She wants to create a great inbound marketing program that supports sales, and some of her challenges include she doesn't have the data she needs or the time and resources that she needs to execute campaigns in-house. Then we added in some demographic information based on our research. You can add in as many personas as you'd like into HubSpot. These are a great tool that you can use for lists, for audience segmentation. You can use them in workflows and other marketing areas so you can really personalize the marketing experience for each of your personas. HubSpot is a great, powerful tool, but it's only what you make of it. We hope these HubSpot tips helped you so you can target your contacts more effectively and boost sales efficiency. Thank you, and we will see you for our next tech tip.